Hey there students, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of feeling anxious and stressed out during exam? Well, you are in luck because today's story is all about overcoming exam anxiety and achieving success. The exam challenge. It was exam day and Rohan felt anxious. He had studied hard but he couldn't shake off the feeling of uncertainty. As he sat at his desk, starting at the blank question paper, Rohan's mind went blank. He felt like he was going to fail. Just then, he remembered a conversation he had with his grandmother. She had told him that exams were not just about grades but about learning and growth. Rohan took a deep breath, focused on the questions, and answered each one of the best of his ability without worrying about the outcome. When the results were announced, Rohan had passed with flying colors. But more importantly, he had learned a valuable lesson about staying calm and focused under pressure. The moral of the story is that exams are not just about grades but about learning and growth. Believe in yourself, stay calm, and do your best. This moral emphasizes the importance of 1. Self-confidence, having faith in one's abilities. 2. Calmness, managing stress and anxiety. 3. Hard work, giving one's best effort. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more inspiring content.